Welcome back to RV World, your ultimate destination for tiny living, road freedom, and rolling homes that turn every mile into a memory. If you're passionate about compact innovation and the beauty of mobile living, make sure you're subscribed so you never miss a new adventure. Today, we're exploring one of the most elegant and eco-conscious small homes on wheels, the Chickadee Tiny House. This isn't just another boxy build with a trendy paint job. The Chickadee is a handcrafted haven that merges form and function, built to survive harsh winters and nurture a warm, cozy lifestyle year-round. The Chickadee Tiny House comes to us from Canada, where 4 distinct seasons demand more than just aesthetic appeal. It needs performance, and that's where this tiny home truly shines. Whether it's the bitter bite of a Canadian January or the cool breeze of spring, the Chickadee is built to thrive. At first glance, the Chickadee's exterior is a balance of rustic charm and modern minimalism. It sits on a 20-foot trailer, making it towable by a 3/4-ton truck, yet it feels incredibly spacious thanks to its clever layout and open design philosophy. Natural cedar siding, black trim accents, and clean architectural lines give it a timeless appeal. It blends beautifully whether parked in a wooded forest or an urban backyard. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is the warmth. Not just from the insulation, which is excellent, by the way, but from the ambiance. The interior is wrapped in natural wood, with whitewashed pine walls and birch plywood details that reflect soft light and make the space feel much larger than it is. It's bright, breathable, and never claustrophobic. Despite its size, the Chickadee packs in a full kitchen, a comfy living space, and a private loft-style bedroom. The kitchen is particularly impressive, featuring a 2-burner induction cooktop, an energy-efficient refrigerator, ample counter space, and custom cabinetry that looks like it belongs in a high-end condo. Everything has a purpose, and every inch of space is optimized for daily life. The living area doubles as a lounge and dining nook. There's room to stretch out, work remotely, or curl up with a book next to the large, double-pane window. Add a small wood-burning stove or electric heater, and it becomes a sanctuary in every season. Now, let's talk about that insulation. The Chickadee Tiny House uses rock wool insulation, an eco-friendly and fire-resistant material, combined with continuous rigid foam board for thermal bridging. The result? A tiny home that can stay warm even when temperatures outside drop well below freezing. With its airtight construction and energy-efficient design, this home is ideal for off-grid living or full-time residence in cold climates. The sleeping loft is accessible by a set of custom stairs, not a ladder, which is a thoughtful feature for those who want ease of movement and extra storage. The loft itself comfortably fits a queen-sized mattress, with built-in shelving and a cozy vibe that's hard to beat. The bathroom, tucked neatly in the rear, offers a full-size shower, a composting or flush toilet option, and a stylish vanity. It's compact, yes, but never cramped. With quality fixtures and clever layout choices, it delivers the same functionality as a standard home in a fraction of the space. One of the standout features of the Chickadee is its potential for customization. Builders offer a range of finish options, appliances, and layouts to fit your lifestyle. Whether you're looking for an off-grid cabin, a backyard guest house, or a minimalist dream home on wheels, the Chickadee adapts. Another major plus: sustainability. Many Chickadee owners opt for solar power, rainwater catchment systems, and composting toilets to reduce their ecological footprint. This isn't just about downsizing, it's about living smarter, cleaner, and more connected to the world around you. In terms of cost, the Chickadee is competitive with other premium tiny homes on the market. While pricing varies based on features and finishes, you're generally looking at a starting range around $100,000 CAD. That might sound steep to some, but remember, this is a high-performance home built to endure for decades, not a weekend trailer. With its quality craftsmanship, excellent insulation, and timeless design, the Chickadee is an investment in lifestyle, not just shelter. To wrap it up, the Chickadee Tiny House is more than just a pretty face. It's a smart, durable, and deeply livable mobile home designed for real people in real conditions. Whether you're dreaming of escaping the city, simplifying your life, or taking a step towards sustainability, the Chickadee proves that tiny living doesn't have to mean compromise. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Chickadee Tiny House, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone dreaming of their own tiny sanctuary. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments, we love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe to RV World for more tours, tips, and tiny living inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you down the road.